If you're not doing these 5 things, chances are you are not going to scale to a 7 or even 8-figure brand. And if you're just starting out and saying, well, Josh, I'm just trying to make my first dollar online, these 5 things are gonna help you get to your first 10,000 quicker. In this video, I wanna break down how to scale your Amazon FBA business, and I wanna cover 5 tactics that you can use right now to grow your Amazon FBA business. Number 1 is gonna be expanding your catalog. Now, if you've already found a product that you feel is a winner, you've already launched that product is crushing it, guess what? You don't have to go back to that drawing board and go and find a niche and a category and a supplier and do all of that. You get to literally fast track your success to scaling by reaching out to the current manufacturer that you have in that category or in that niche and asking them for the catalog of all the other products. A ninja hack is asking them what products other Amazon sellers are also ordering a lot of, because chances are if other Amazon sellers are ordering a lot of these products are doing good. Another hack is asking them for new products that are gonna be doing well, or products that haven't been released yet that are getting ready to be released, and then you can do research on those. So the easiest way to scale out of spending more money on advertising or different ad platforms is by adding more products. In fact, if you're doing $25,000 a month with one product and you find another product that can do $25,000, you've literally doubled your business by just adding one additional product. Number 2 is inventory management. As you scale, you want to order more inventory. And as you order more inventory, your price per product is going to get lowered, which means your margins or your profitability will increase. Not only that, you will need more inventory as you scale because you are going to sell more products. So when you have more inventory, you are more profitable, and now you can be more aggressive when it comes to advertising and different strategies to scale your brand. Number 3 is gonna be outsourcing tasks. Now, one of the easiest ways to scale is by removing yourself from other activities that are not income producing activities for the business. As we start, usually with our first product or our first business, we are wearing many hats. But once you start to make money and you start to generate money, you want to reduce the MWA activities that you're doing, or minimum wage activities, and start to delegate. Here's a few things that you can do to scale. Number 1, you can go to onlinejobs.ph and you can hire a VA or virtual assistant from anywhere between $2 to $5 per hour. The beautiful thing is, in their time zone, they will be working the same time zone as your manufacturer. Also, if they're working on a 12-hour difference spread, while you are sleeping, they are working on your business. Now, your business is working 24/7. This can be customer service, responding to emails, responding to comments, doing work orders, ordering inventory, you name it, they can do all of the above. Number 2 is you could be hiring outsourced professionals. For instance, we offer a PPC service, an account management service for our clients, where we can literally manage the PPC and manage the account for you so that you can do product research and you can do other things like grow social medias, find products, find different distribution channels, so on and so forth. Find and identify professionals that will take workloads off of your plate. That way you can focus on the thing that you are the best at. And maybe you don't want to be working in the business and you rather make less, but to make sure that you have this thing fully running for you without you working within the business, then you can literally delegate all of these tasks. So you want a clear understanding of what you want out of the business. And if you don't want to be involved in the business, you want to just work as a CEO and make executive level decisions, then you should focus on profitability and then delegation. However, if you want to work within the business, but you identify that you're not good at specific areas like PPC or etc., you want to delegate that to professionals. Number 4 is going to be building a team. You can only get so far by yourself. You can do good by yourself, but you can do great with others. And I will give you one word of advice: do not be cheap with your team, and make sure that you are slow to hire and fast to fire. Firing people, especially as a new-time entrepreneur or first-time entrepreneur, is very uncomfortable. However, it can be one of the biggest bottlenecks of your business. So do your due diligence. Make sure you are interviewing more than enough people to the point where you know that you're getting the right people. Make sure you're asking for references. And make sure you are slow to hire and fast to fire. This is also going to make sure that you get good talent and make sure that you have multiple people working within your organization and within your company who are all going to have that one mission in mind to help you grow and to help you scale. Number 5 is going to be diversifying sales channels. Now, if you're selling on Amazon currently, that is just one distribution channel. That is just one sales platform. We can now sell on TikTok shops. We can sell on Shopify utilizing Google Shopping and Facebook ads. We can sell on Facebook Marketplace. We can sell on Etsy. There's tons of different marketplaces that you can sell. So changing your distribution network in terms of how you distribute products and how you sell products is one thing. Number 2 is gonna be increasing the different advertising channels. If you're selling on Amazon and you're only using PPC throughout Amazon, also consider Snapchat and TikTok and Facebook and Instagram and Google, and also influencers across these different social media platforms. And these are 5 tips and 5 strategies that I've used to generate over 8 figures in my online Amazon businesses. I hope that you use these and implement them, whether if you're starting, you're growing, or you are scaling. By the way, if you want help from me and my team, whether you're starting and you're trying to find your first product, or you have a dozen products and you're ready to position yourself to sell and get that big payday, click the link down below, check out the short 15-minute video, and schedule a free call with my team. Remember, you're only one product away.